Prime Minister Narendra Modi will launch the National Handloom Day and also unveil the India Handloom Brand at a convention of handloom weavers to be held at the Centenary Hall of the Madras University today. The date, August 7th, was chosen as it was on this very day that the Swadeshi movement was launched in the year 1905. The government hopes that the observance of the National Handloom Day and honouring handloom weavers will provide an impetus to the handloom industry and also serve to promote handloom as a genuine international product of good quality. Meanwhile, Prime Minister will meet Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Jayalalitha at her Poets Garden residence. As per protocol, the Chief Minister usually receives the Prime Minister at the airport.